This is like the bumpiest road I've ever been on. Okay. What? There's no numbers.
Please connect your card or your mobile phone.
Something happened. Oh my God. Oh my God, the bumpy of this road. Oh, smoothish tarmac. Right guys, I've been trying to film an intro for the last like 10 minutes, but I was riding down the bumpiest road I've ever been on. A rattling trailer and everything. So yeah, I've got my kids in the trailer and we're off to go get some milk, or maybe a milkshake. But not just from the shop. There's a much better way to buy milk than from the shop. Ah. Oh, hello. What noise do they make? Something like that. Just trying my new microphone out on the 360 camera, see what it comes out like. I think there might be a bit of road noise here. Oh God, who put this here? We're going to try and, I think it was going to go this way. I'm trying to get through there. We're at the milk vending machine. Okay, careful, Piff.
Mommy, Pop. Daddy.
Yeah.
Now we how's that button? Daddy, I'll be the top out.
Right, hang on, we need a bottle first. Oh, push to start.
Please select the card.
Let's do it.
What? There's no numbers.
Please connect your card or your mobile phone.
Oh, here.
Authorizing.
Okay, that was a bit of a... That was a Palava, wasn't it?
Wow. They have money. Isn't that cool?
Oh yeah. I don't think they've got any food though, have they?
Yeah.
Right. What size is this one? 1/2 litre.
Oh, that's why it's tall.
Got shut. Hey, oh my God, what's happened? Oh yeah, there we go, I think it's working.
Daddy,
Does it work?
somebody.
Come on. Work. I think the thing is a bit broken. Oh, it almost worked.
Oh, wow. Yay!
Something happened. Oh my God.
I want that top! It's spilling. It's spilling. I want that top! Yay!
What we got? Trouble is, I didn't bring any. Hey, I didn't bring any change.
Neither way. Oh, boy. Okay.
We put one of these in.
Yeah.
Makes it into milkshake.
Oh my god! Milkshake!
I'll bring I'll bring you 25p next time, I promise. Right, come on in. Yeah, I didn't seem to have any food in there. Yeah. Also got some honey. We'll try that properly later. Yeah, in the side pocket of the bag. Hopefully it should stay there, right, I think. Oh my gosh, it's hard to push it on stones. Yeah.
Can I show you my whistle?
Oh no. Very good. And we're cruising home.